Okay. Okay, welcome to another episode of RT Boss. Actually, this is another. So we posted an upload today, and it's we've only had this is our second video. Just yeah, and so we got two people here.
Hi guys, I'm Cookie's friend today. We are present to listen. Same, I'm also Cookie's friend. I'm here to play with him.
Yep. Okay, and also make sure to and we're playing playing what's it? Airplane 4. What? What's that?
Also, don't forget, I just recently, like right now, look at what I bought.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Yo, was that Thor's sword?
Oh my, here, it's for 50 Robux.
Oh my.
Why is it 50?
Yo, you are just on roll.
I can hear so much.
And don't forget.
Which one do you want to join? Game A, B, C?
I don't know. And don't forget to subscribe and like because if we get to at least 10 subs right now, I will start my Pixelmon series.
Trust me, his Pixelmon. Let's go! Oh, here you go. You should seriously. Everyone who's watching, hit that subscribe button right now.
Yeah, and like.
And like it.
Yeah, because I'll show that it's good on my video later.
Game B.
Alright. Okay.
Whee!
Okay. So we're in. We're just gonna wait.
I also like it.
Put a SpongeBob meme here. Put a 2-hour SpongeBob meme here. Okay, we're in. Okay.
Okay, airplane 4, let's go, boys.
Okay, yep. Airplanes are going crazy.
Airplanes are going crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, airplane 4, one last flight. Let's
The last
do
one.
it.
We haven't played the first 3-1 yet.
We're just immediately on
Yeah.
maybe we'll go in reverse order. After this, we'll do tree. And then do it then.
The developer of this game told us to play.
No, wait,
We haven't played any
Shags and Bacon. Wait, one second. So this what?
Don't tell me you forgot. Forgot what, Daddy? Today's the big day. What? I'm gonna get my college promotion.
Imagine.
Yeah, mine's what? Where is Mohammed? What is Mohammed? I've never heard of
Who
it.
knows?
I'm just gonna stay asleep. I don't know what it is. Good
Yeah.
night.
Yeah, we're asleep. We're just sitting here asleep.
Good night.
Oh my, none of you have done your baggage.
I don't care. I'm sleeping. Good night.
Same. I can't believe you forgot. We don't even have time. That's it. Whoever doesn't have the baggage ready before breakfast is not going to the trip.
Okay, I want to go to a trip. I'm stuck with this COVID so much. I don't really want to go to. Go.
Start making the burgers in the backyard. Hurry up.
What do I need?
Oh, let's go. This is my baggage.
My bag is here. I really want to go to the trip. What are we gonna do? Oh, I said that. But I don't really want to. I don't want to go to the trip.
I don't even remember where my clothes are.
I do. But I do.
Okay, here is what we're here going to do. We have 45 seconds to explore the house and see where everything is. Now we start packing.
Go.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I've never played this before, so I don't know what to do.
I've some.
Where did my sword go?
I don't know.
No!
Sorry.
I
Sorry, buddy.
wasted 50 Robux.
Yo, look in this closet. It has everything we need.
Oh, also a balcony. We're getting that wrong. It's mine. Don't take it.
It's mine.
I got it. Let's go.
It's mine.
No, to it. I'm running away with the balcony. You can't catch me.
It's outside the closet, man. Inside the closet. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Okay, guys, time to start packing. Let's go. I don't want to pack.
Too bad. I have to.
What? How? Oh, I want to sword. Hold on. Them. Are these it? Wait.
I don't know. World Army. Is it?
Oh no, it's in the paper. I only have 20%.
Oh, it is. No, we need to rush.
I got him. No, 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 no.
Jesus, I got mine. Oh, yes, run.
You can't kill him. Oh yeah, I can kill only the bad guys.
Okay, I'm good. Woohoo! That was scary.
I thought I was not. Hey!
You're saying.
On this item. I saw that!
Shoes?
Why am I packing
Where are those shoes? Where are those shoes? Black.
I'm
No, it's
packing
not
two
girls.
sets of shoes. I'm packing 2 sets of shoes, huh? That doesn't make sense.
Alright. Okay, my shoes. Oh, here they are. Got them. Come on.
Why?
Dude, this is just a big
My
rush.
shoes are so big. Look at them. Look at my baggage. Look at my shoes.
Yeah, that's tough.
Either my baggage is so small or my shoes are so big.
Yeah.
I wear size a million shoes.
Yeah.
I
What?
wear size 44 shoes.
Oh my goodness.
Airplane shirt. I got it. I got purple leggings.
Wow.
And
That's tough.
I do not wear leggings.
Ooh. Dude, that's tough luck.
There's also blue leggings. Not in this room. Don't hurt.
Yo, no, those shoes should be here. Yeah, my shoes are here. Bye-bye, I need my shoes, I'm gone.
I packed 2 shoes for my foot.
Same. Also, I'm packing 2 shoes. Okay. Get in there. Woo!
Get over here.
I did it.
My brother gonna survive.
Who knows?
No, he's not gonna. Oh,
Yo, that was some scary stuff over there.
Burger.
Yeah, whoever gets that is dead. Whoever gets that is dead.
I'm not eating it. I really want to get it. Give me it. I want the spoiled one. I want the rotten one.
You won't get lunch then, if you don't eat it.
I don't like them.
Okay, let's go. Ah.
Yeah.
Ooh, you, there's a spoiled burger. Ew, Daddy.
Imagine I getting a spoiled burger.
Tough luck.
I'm feeding it to you. Sit next to us.
No, oh yeah.
Get over there. You're rocking.
Yeah.
Sitting in everyone's desk to sit on.
Yeah.
Next to your most favorite things.
Yeah.
But why is somebody's dad taking all of the whole classroom to the Bahamas?
I think these are his sons. Yeah, sons and daughters.
In between.
Yeah.
Let's see what I get.
Who wants a burger?
Me.
Why ran away? She was ran away.
I'm too hungry. Oh, he's gonna get the rotten burger.
Oh yeah. Alright, whoever wants one, take a seat on the picnic
I
table.
think whoever sits in the line gets the rotten burger.
Dad should get it. Yo, how did those not fall?
One slowly. Oh, you got the right one! He got the right one!
Oh no.
Oh, I got the first one.
Oh yes, well, I had a fresh one.
I'm not eating it.
Oh
Eat it and respawn and then waste your Robux money.
yeah.
I only waste my Robux to follow.
Yo, we get the good stuff though. Oh yeah, I finished my burger, yo. Yo, let's do some. It was vegetarian. Nice and yummy.
Wait, you're there?
Yeah.
This is non-vegetarian. I'm not eating it. How
Ew.
are you eating it?
Oh, it's the radio. It popped some pizza earlier this month. The president congratulated the brave heroes that saved his life aboard a presidential plane.
That was me. I played the last one.
Whoa, can you imagine
That was
saving a
me.
plane? Oh, you didn't save it. However, the president's conference As we landed, the suspect somehow disappeared. The police warns everyone in Roblox to be careful and report anything that could be useful for the case.
What? In the middle of our corner.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
We're gonna have this one put it inside another one.
Yeah, I didn't put this all out. Okay, stop it. Wait. Yeah, now we're gonna get to that part. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it, stop, 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 stop,